Here's an interesting idea to communicate. Thoughts are not inside our heads. Look up the word cymatics. 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 If you've ever seen somebody put sand on top of a speaker and play a harmonic or play a specific frequency, that sand will organize itself into a geometric pattern, up or down in a frequency, and the pattern changes. Thought, in the same way that sound exists in 3 dimensions. So I think the more that we take responsibility for our thoughts, the better what propagates from them becomes. Thanks for listening.